This is going to be a redox reaction, and it will be an acidic solution, and it will involve arsenic, As2O3, and iodine turning into H3ASO4, and iodide. What we're going to first do is separate them into the half reactions, and we have As2O3 turning into H3ASO4, and we have iodine turning into iodide. So what we want to first do is balance the half reactions, and so the first thing that we're going to do is take care of the top one. Here we have two arsenics, and we have one here, so we need to multiply the H3ASO4 by 2. Now we need to balance the oxygens, and notice that we have 3 on the left and we have 8 on the right, so we're going to have 3 more on the left, and to do that we need to add 5 more on the left by adding water. For every for every oxygen that you have to add an H2O molecule. By doing that, we now have our 8 oxygens balanced, and the next step is to balance our hydrogens. And to do that, we need to figure out how many we have on the left. This here gives us 10. On the right, we have 6. So we're going to need 4 more. So we're going to add 4 H1 pluses for every H that we need to add. And now it's time to balance our charge. On the left, we have 0 charge. And on the right, we have a charge of positive 4. So to balance it equals 0, we need to have 4 electrons. For the second half reaction, we have I2 going to I1 minus. We first need to balance our iodines, and then next our charge. We have a -2 charge on the right. We need to have 2 electrons on the left. So in this particular case, notice that we have 4 electrons and 2 electrons, so we need to find the common multiple of 4. So in this particular case, we need to do nothing to the first one, but double the second. So the first one stays as is, and the second one is the one that needs to change, and it will change by 2, giving us 2I2 plus 4 electrons and 4 I1 minus. And now our half reactions are balanced. We're then going to combine them. Reactants with reactants, products with products. And so in this case, we have As2O3, 5 H2Os, plus 2 I2s, 4 electrons, to yield 2 H3ASO4s, 4 H pluses, 4 electrons, and 4 I1 minus. You can see that the electrons are on both sides. Excuse me, we're going to cancel those, leaving us with an overall of As2O3 plus 5 waters, 2 iodines, yielding 2 H3ASO4s, 4 H pluses, and 4 iodide, excuse me. And that is our net equation.